drag is out. Let's do it. Crump with them as they are slicing and dicing early. Brendan Crouch working his way to the front. That number 97 3-car battle. Big Turman as we got trouble for Carter Starr for the top side of turns 1 and 2. Brown to the 21K, but here comes Chase McDermott. Big slider down in turn 3 as the 40 car tries to get by the 7U for that third spot. It looks like he will keep it. Chance Crump now with a nice move coming out turn 4. Has a shot down in turns 1 and 2. 26 back to the point. Crossover move for Carter Starr. He'll look to the inside as Crump cannot shut the door on the 21K in turn number 3. Again, slicing and dicing. Coming out turn 4 side by side as they cross the stripe. 15 down, 15 to go. Chance Crump back in front momentarily as here comes Carter Starr. 21K can't quite get back by Chance Crump. One more lap here at Federated Auto Parts Raceway at I-55. Trying to become a first-time winner with the series. The 4th different winner here in 2022. Starr gonna take a look to the inside. As they race to the stripe, it'll be Chance Crump getting it done here tonight at I-55.